Hey, what's going on? It's Tennyson Donnie Coleman. We're at Six Flags Great Adventure here in Jackson, New Jersey. I'm about to take a ride on Wonder Woman Lasso of Truth. It's the newest ride here, and it's the tallest pendulum ride in the country. Time to see what the hype is all about. Dear Lord, it's me again. Uh-oh. Okay, they're giving a thumbs up. No escaping. Here we go. No. Oh no. I already don't like it.
That'll meet you guys all out of here and enjoy your
ride
on Wonder Woman.
Oh, why did I sign up for this? Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Turn around. Turn around. Don't get on the. Whew. Oh no. Oh my. We haven't even gotten like 5 feet off the ground yet, and I'm a little wimp. I don't know if I should look or not! Woo! Oh my God! Oh my God! If I look, it just makes it worse, but if I don't, oh my God! Woo! Lord, help me! Woo! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Woo! Oh, I'm keeping my eyes closed. Woo! Oh no! Oh no! Woo! Oh my God! Oh, come on, stop this thing. We get it. We get it. We get it. Woo! We get it. Stop it. Get me on the ground. Woo! Man was not meant to fly. I'll tell you that much. Woo! Woo! Okay. All right, that wasn't that bad. It wasn't that bad. I tricked you. Okay. I've never been this happy to be on the ground. That was intense. I've been on a lot of the rides here, and I can tell you that was something else. That was amazing, and in all the right ways, but all the wrong ways at the same time. So go do it. See if you can handle it, because I did it, and I survived.